So, hi guys, my name is Utkarsh and welcome to the YouTube channel of Legal Edge by Top Rankers. Today we have Siddhi with us. Siddhi has got rank 22 in CLAT 2025. First of all, congratulations Siddhi.
Thank you, sir.
क्या रिएक्शन था फैमिली का, फ्रेंड्स का, तुम्हारा?
Everything unexpected tha.
हम्म,
So we were really surprised. But then after all relieved and then happy. Right now we're all just really happy.
ओके। और अब क्या चल रहा है, मतलब लास्ट 10 डेज का क्या रहा?
क्लैट में बहुत प्रोडक्टिव आई मीन यू आस्क्ड मी ऑल्सो बट क्लैट में बहुत 2 साल वो वेरी प्रोडक्टिव अभी कुछ काम ही नहीं है करने के लिए सो
हम्म,
आई एम चिलिंग अ लॉट तो लग रहा है कि कुछ आई मीन आई हैव टू डू समथिंग अगेन
अब वापस से कुछ तो करना चाहिए, कुछ सीखना चाहिए।
या
राइट। सो यू प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर 2 इयर्स। क्या लर्निंग्स रही उसकी? फर्स्ट ईयर क्या लर्निंग थी जिससे सेकंड ईयर में हेल्प हुआ? एंड ये डिसीजन कितना इंपॉर्टेंट था?
In fact, I think prepping for 2 years was the most important decision that I made during my grad preparation because the first year helped me improve my fundamentals, my basics, which were really important for me to actually do well in every mock, every paper. So, first year, I think everyone should just focus on their fundamentals, and then second year, you can start giving mocks and practice. Practice happens continuously.
ओके। एंड फर्स्ट ईयर जो मॉक्स दिए उससे क्या लर्निंग निकली? क्या लर्निंग्स
First,
थी उससे?
I started. So mocks में obviously इतने अच्छे scores तो आते नहीं थे because I wasn't prepping for GK at the time, and the mock GK was very current affairs based. So
राइट।
I would leave the GK and I would do all the other sections, and the scores that time were pretty bad. But I think giving mocks in the first year is what helped me to do better in the next year. So 11th grade was a very important part of my journey.
ओके। एंड डी डे के दिन, क्लैट डे के दिन, क्या डिफरेंट किया उस दिन? कैसा लग रहा था? एग्जाम सेंटर में जा रहे थे तो नर्वस थी, क्या फील किया? एंड एग्जाम के टाइम क्या किया? बिकॉज समझ में आ गया होगा कि पेपर इज इजी, एग्जाम इज इजी, तब फिर दिमाग में क्या चल रहा था?
So, starting with your first question, what I did on the D day, everyone had told us कि एकदम chill होना है, कुछ काम नहीं करना है उस दिन. But अगर मैं chill and कुछ काम नहीं करती ना, so my brain would have started making me anxious and nervous, etc. So, in fact, I did math. I revised some. I had a small GK book in which I wrote all the important points that I had to remember. So I read through that. I did math, and more or less that. And I was calm. I was really calm. But I had given class last year as well. So I remembered that last year I had taken it as a mock, which usually helps a lot of people, but for me it worked against me. So I was very alert during this paper. And again, like you said, the paper was easy. So this is what I realized after my English. English was the easiest section for everybody, but because the paper was easy, I made three silly mistakes in English itself, which shouldn't have happened. So after English is when I realized that the paper, all of it is really easy, so I have to be extra alert because it's going to be easy for everybody. Which is when my paper started becoming much better. Yeah.
राइट। नहीं, जैसे नाउ यू हैव सेड इट, आई रिमेम्बर आई वाज चेकिंग योर ओएमआर एंड आई वाज लाइक कि इसका स्कोर 97 98 आ रहा है, इंग्लिश में ही तीन गलतियां हो गई, और वो शायद ऐसा था कि लगातार एक ही पैसेज में टाइप, इस टाइप का ही कुछ था।
हाँ हाँ
तो इसके 98 कैसे आ रहे हैं? कहीं इसने गलत चेक तो नहीं कर लिया? कहीं पीजी तो नहीं, मतलब पीजी वाला चेक नहीं किया? फिर मैंने एक बार खुद चेक किया कि कहीं मैं तो पीजी वाली आंसर की चेक नहीं कर रहा। तो मल्टीपल चीजें उस टाइम पे चल रही थी कि ठीक है, बट हाँ, एंड वाज वेरी गुड। तो उसके बाद मिस्टेक्स आर एक्सट्रीमली लेस, राइट? एंड ठीक है। बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स एआर में, क्यूटी में स्टक हो गए थे क्योंकि एआर को सॉल्व ही नहीं हो रहा था बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली क्वेश्चन ही गलत था। एंड क्यूटी में भी जो एक डीआई था वो आई थिंक थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्टी उसकी अच्छी थी बिकॉज ऑफ इट वाज नॉट क्रैकेबल फॉर अ लॉट ऑफ किड्स। तो वहां पे क्या किया अलग?
So, starting with AR, I do logic. So, my strategy allows me to do logic third in list. So, I had done English and GK already. So, I had logic, legal, and math left. So, in logic, when I reached the set, I tried it twice and then I figured it's wrong. क्योंकि नहीं आ रहा है दो बार करने के बाद भी तो it's wrong obviously. So, I thought I'll come back to it later again and try. But overall, I just left that set for the time being. I went and finished my other sections. Math, I did the easier set first because I just got lucky. The easier set was first on my list. So Then legal was also pretty easy. And then when I came back to math and the hard analytical set were both left. So it was a very big burden at the time. But math was overall manageable. I did I left two questions in math. So math became decent, but I took a lot of time, longer than I take in the mocks, because I had to use a lot of my logic and there were no direct formulas that I had to be using. And analytical was anyways wrong, but I'd use some weird logic during the paper, which also, so because of that logic, I had, so apparently the answers are not in the correct answers were not in the options, but that
Yes.
logic allowed me to have the answers in the options. So that logic actually worked to my demise, and I got one extra wrong in that particular passage, which
Okay.
nobody else did.
Okay. How did you strategize your day? How did you plan your day throughout your prep
Like a normal day or my D day?
in a normal day?
So GK was a very big part of my day, my preparation, everything. So if I was giving 10 hours, five of 5 or 4 of them would be towards GK, and the rest would be towards mock and analyzing them. So over sectional practice, I focused on mocks, because if I give a mock every day, that's me. That's a sectional practice for me every day, and I have my time management in order, etc. So my mock, but usually more than the timing, I focused on scheduling my tasks and just finishing them for the day. So if I was done with them early, I'd chill for the rest of the day, and otherwise I'd stay up late.
So rather than 10 घंटे 12 घंटे का प्लान करना से बेटर है कि टास्क वाइज आपकी स्ट्रैटेजी हो प्लान
According
हो.
to me.
Okay.
Yes.
And any other advice you would want to give to your juniors or the future aspirants?
I think a lot of people who did not do well in this CLAT paper, it was because of they were extremely intelligent. Like many of my friends, equally deserving. But the only issue was that they wasted too much time on the analytical passage, which was wrong. So probably just learn to move on and understand that CLAT does make mistakes a lot of times. So just move on.
Okay. Okay. And because you prepared for 2 years, how important was consistently throughout your prep? Because usually happens कि आप 11th में पढ़ना चालू किए, you studied well in your 11th, then 12th में वो gap आ गया, few months मतलब 3 4 5 महीने का, then suddenly you realize only 90 days are left or 100 days are left. So how important was consistently throughout your prep?
I think the obviously the one importance of consistency is that you become better at your stuff and you become better at what you are planning to study. But the second importance is that you are confident, because you know that if I was consistent, nobody has been able to work harder than I have. I have worked the hardest that a person possibly could. And when you go confident to that paper, you automatically do better than what you would otherwise. So I think consistency plays a very, very, very big role in your preparation.
Okay. And this happened with a lot of kids कि even though they studied, but वो confidence नहीं था खुद में. एग्जाम निकलेगा नहीं निकलेगा एंड निकलेगा तो मतलब क्या रैंक आएगी. तो होता ना कि एग्जाम में सेंटर में जाने से पहले थोड़ा सा नर्व्स हैं, थोड़ा सा डर लग रहा है, एंग्शियस है, उसको कैसे ओवरकम किया?
So actually, I don't even know if I was anxious or not, because like I was doing all ulta things. I was dropping my bottle and I marked my number also wrong. But
Hmm.
fortunately, it was all digitalized. So
Right.
I was so anxious, but I think subconsciously I was pretty confident otherwise, because I knew I had worked my hardest, and like I said, no one could have worked harder. And whatever else would be God's wish, I couldn't help after
Okay.
that.
Okay. Super proud of you, Siddhi.
Thank
Congratulations once again, and all the
Thank you
best.
for all your help also. I mean, every time my scores dropped or anything happened, you were the one who consoled us and who told us what to do.
Thank you. Thank you so much. On
Thank
all
you.
the best. Thank you.
Thank you.